guidance is like having a trusted GPS for life. Verse 7 of Proverbs chapter 1. The fear of the Lord is the beginning of knowledge. So if you respect, revere, have fear of God, then you start listening the word. Because by listening, you gain knowledge, but applying, you have wisdom. When people is not particular of learning, of studying, of listening the word of God, they don't have fear of God. They don't have reverence of God. Plastic, salimpapaw na yan. Pag amuna, ngasling gasalit ko sa Ginoo, gatuo ko sa Ginoo, gatawad ko sa Ginoo, pero ay kagana mamati sa puluhan Diyos. What is that? If you have that fear of God, then what you're going to do is what? Listen to the word of God. But it never stops there. That is only the beginning. Because applying knowledge will give you the wisdom. It gives you the wisdom, and that wisdom will honor you, will crown you, will favor you, will protect you. Ano na katahong? Sang guidance nga ihatag sang Ginoo. So kamo na mag-insindi. Kung ang tao gani wala ka pamati sang pulo sa Ginoo. So amo na ang Proverbs chapter 1 verse 7. Pag ang tao hindi wala nila gina-underscore ang pagpamati sang pulo sa Ginoo, then that means aradra ang sabat. Proverbs chapter 1 verse 7. Now, navigating life, because as long as we are here on earth, we are just like navigating in the uncharted seas or oceans. You know, kung wala ka navigational map, navigational chart, ang boat lang kung diin ta magkadto. 3 things: teachability, integrity, and discernment. If you seek guidance, then these 3 things should be in your mind, in heart, naka-ingrain siya. Regardless of how blessed I am, regardless of how intelligent I am, then I am always open for being teachable person. Once a person is teachable, that means you should of being humble. Because biskandamo ka na sa nabalaan, you have such of influence, you have more than enough that you can say. But if you're thirsty and hungry of knowledge, you will remain as teachable person. But people who are fools, then they stop listening. They stop learning. Muna ko nga, samtang kaya pa mag-absorb sa utok ta ang pagpamati, ang pagtuon. Samtang kaya mo pa magkanto sa eskwelahan o mag-go an online classes, do it! As long that you are being led. Do it. Why? Actually, makabuli sa inang padayon ng pamati. Nga, mapigaran pa ang pagkamali-malion ta, ang pagkamali-paton ta. Tanap lang mga tao kung bisa, kung din pa ba nag-asinso, kung din pa lang ang nagnami ng kabuhi, tapos God brought them again for siguro nagbalik sa pabalik sa Ginoo, ay nalipat to sa mga tao na dati kaupod nila. Nga naka-learn siya sang the best na mga principle. Amo na mga tao nga nag-stop na learning kaya hindi na sila kabulo, wala na sila kadumdum sa ilang ginhalinan. Sa mga bagay na ginpatuon, kagintun-an nila, sang gagmay pa sila. Anay karong ginag-asinso na, nalipat na sila. Ang teachable nga tao, bisan pa sa iya pag-asenso, sa iya kaalam, sa mga pagbago sa kabuhi, because you know, the only word and the only thing that is constant here is change, di ba? Tama na po nga ang may mga changes man sa life natin, but one thing is good to us, bisan may mga changes is you remain teachable. And ang tao na teachable, nagapabili siya sa gihapon sa pagpakanubo. Teachability is the willingness and ability to embrace instruction, allowing oneself to learn. So wala katapusan ng learning natin diri. To grow! Biskan may natin gatubo sa aton nga height, basta importante when it comes to knowledge. Nag-grow kita. And adapt through guidance and feedback. Ang pinakasakit diri ko makabati na ta feedback. Diba? But if feedback is very constructive, wow! It actually blesses us to be more, pagbalik siya ang pagbabalik siya wow! Mas tahong. Proverbs chapter 1 verse 5. Let the wise listen and add to their learning, And let the discerning get guidance. Ang Chinese philosopher gani, siling niya, para daw kapag isa ng baluan, parang hindi ka magiging hambog. When you come into a place where there is a learning, where there is a teaching, you need to unload so that you will be filled again. Si Lao Tzu, naghamba sila. Open your mind. Let wisdom ignite. Embrace the lessons in learning take flight. Stay curious. Seek growth every day. In a world of knowledge, pay your own way.